Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we will see water cup chart in Power BI, which is actually a very fun and visual way of showing your data. We will see how we can set the levels of the water in the water cup and how you can show your data. So let's start. This is a custom visual, so we will be going and we will not be able to see this under the visualization pane. We have to add it. So we will go to get more visuals and click on get more visuals. Now we'll wait for it to load. Now here I can see this. So this is the water cup visual. Let's click it. And here, now you can see it here also how it will look like. So here you see that this is year on year changes of revenue, what they have showed. Here they have renewable energy production of countries and Italy, Japan. So this is how you can create it. This is a free visual, so we can simply add it. I will click on add and wait for it to be imported. So import successful. The visual was successfully imported to this report. Okay, thank you. Now I will select the water cup visual. Let's bring it here. And here you see that we have different category fields. So we have category comments, height, width, water level, water color. So these are the the fields that you have to populate. I have already added my data here. I will show you the data first. So we will be using category. So we have this category of different departments: sales, marketing, and their data. We have the cup height, the cup width, and the progress. So, and we can have the watercolor if you want. So this is what we will be using. Let's go back. And here I'll keep it simple. I'll just add the bare minimum. So we will add category to the category. We will add the cup height. So for each category, we have to add the height and the width. And in the water level, we have the progress. So let's wait for it to appear. Now you see this is appearing here. Let's go and see how we can further format it. So we will go to format your visual and we have these options available. So in the card, let's say we will reduce the width and height. So these are the cards and I will make it 150 and this also let's make it just 100. We can make it even more smaller. Let's say we can make it 100 and 50. You don't want the whole of it to be occupied. Let's see further how we can change it. So background color, if you want to add, let's add transparency. This is the canvas, the background, the whole color is added. And the border also, if you want to have a border, let's change the spacing. We can increase the spacing. Now this is the card, how we are defining the card. In the water cup, you can the strokes color if you want, the height range, auto width range, water level range, watercolor. So you can have the watercolor low, high. You can use it here. You can also add, we have a watercolor field, so if you want you can add that, and that will also define your watercolor field. In the text, let's make it 12 so it's more readable. You can align it how you like. We can keep it in the middle. You can change the text color. In the comment field also, if you have any, the category comment, if you have added it in the field, you can change the text color here. The legends, if you want to keep legends. Now in the legends, you are defining the height. So you can, for example, what the height is representing. Maybe, the height is your something relevant to your sales, something relevant to your, customer satisfaction results or all these surveys and all. So you can define what the height, for example, if I will just add height here, height represents, so here it will, how it will start. So the width also and the water level also. Water level you can say is the progress of sales, things like that. So this is how sales versus target, if it is something, if right, it doesn't make sense here, but if it's, you have, instead of these departments, you have, for example, regions, and you are showing the sales of each region, what was the target, what was the sales. So height can represent the target, and width can represent the sales, things like that. And also the watercolor if you have. So I'll just remove that. In the generals tab, now again, here we can format it how you format any of your Power BI visual. Let me just bring it here. Go back, General tab. So let's just remove the title. But if you want, you can keep the title and you can format it here. In the properties, you can format the size. In the effects, let's remove the background, add a visual border and shadow so that it looks nice and clean. Now this is what we can do. You have, if you have some data, you can format the data, icons, and all text. So this is how you can create this visual in Power BI, which is very fun way of showing your data. I hope this video helped. Keep watching for more and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.